Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to keep your old number when switching to giffgaff. So let's get started. First, open the browser on your phone and Google search keep old number giffgaff. Click the first website that appears. It should say joining us, keep your existing number. Now, on your old UK SIM, text PAC to 65075. You'll receive your PAC code which you'll use to transfer your number. Next, activate your giffgaff SIM on the official activation page. Once activated, you'll get a temporary number for now. After that, go to the number transfer page on the giffgaff website. Log in to your account, then enter your PAC code, your giffgaff number, and choose your transfer date. On your chosen day, your old number will automatically move to your giffgaff SIM, usually by 9 p.m. And that's it. That's how you keep your old number on giffgaff. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.